Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix AT&T Wi-Fi not working after moving modem. Internet connection troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Check all cable connections. After moving the modem, make sure every cable is connected securely. Power cable is firmly plugged in. Fiber, DSL or broadband cable is connected correctly. Ethernet cables are fully inserted. Wall outlet or fiber jack connection is not loose. Even a slightly loose cable can prevent the gateway from connecting to the internet. Fix 2. Verify the gateway lights. Look at the lights on your AT&T gateway. Solid green broadband light. Internet connection is active. Blinking broadband light. Gateway is trying to connect. Red light connection problem. No broadband light. Cable or service issue. Wait a few minutes after powering on because some gateways need up to 10 minutes to reconnect. Fix 3. Restart the AT&T gateway. A restart often fixes connection issues after moving equipment. Unplug the power cord. If your gateway has a battery backup, remove it. Wait 20 to 60 seconds, plug everything back in, wait for the broadband light to turn solid green. Fix 4. Make sure you moved it to a valid AT&T connection. If you move the modem to a different room, fiber gateways must stay connected to the fiber wall jack or ONT. DSL gateways must remain connected to a working pole or broadband jack. Some wall jacks may not be activated for internet service. Fix 5. Reconnect your devices to Wi-Fi. Sometimes the internet works, but devices remain connected to an old network profile. On phones and tablets, open Wi-Fi settings, select your AT&T network, tap Forget Network, reconnect using the Wi-Fi password printed on the gateway label. On Windows, open Wi-Fi settings, forget the AT&T network, reconnect and enter the password again. Fix 6. Factory reset the gateway. If the gateway still cannot connect, find the small reset button, press and hold it about for 10 to 15 seconds, release the button, allow the gateway to fully restart. This restores the original AT&T settings and can fix configuration problems. Fix 7. Check AT&T Smart Home Manager. The Smart Home Manager app can restart the gateway remotely, check connection status, detect network problems, show connected devices. Fix 8. Contact AT&T support. If your internet still is not working after restarting the gateway and checking all cables, call AT&T Internet Support and explain that your Wi-Fi stopped working after moving the modem. The link will be provided in the description. And when you click on the link, a web page will be opened on your screen like this. So from here, you can take the support or help. You can also call on this number. Ask them to check for service outages or line connection problems. Follow any troubleshooting steps provided by the support team. If needed, request a technician visit or a replacement gateway. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell button.